Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh and today we are going to learn something about map. So what exactly a map is and how it works. So let me start to write some code. So I'm just taking it like integer and string. Okay, and now make it map1 equal to new, again map, then integer and string, then blank. Yeah, so in parenthesis there is nothing, so this is the constructor basically. So there is a blank constructor here. So what map is, so if you understand what map is, then map means the key value pairing of an instance. Like this instance consists of key and value both, okay, on the same record. So this is the key and this is the value. Now let me add something like map1 dot put. Put is a method which insert data into this object. Okay, so what I do here is integer, so I can take any integer like 1, then I have to write comma and then string, any string like Mumbai. Okay, now again I can add any number of things here, so I just make it Pune. Okay, these are the city names. All right, so it too. So this is the actual syntax how you define the map, and this is how you insert data in the map. So if I want to see the output, I just write system.debug results, and here I can just print map1. Okay, now execute. Let's see, here we go, 1 Mumbai, 2 Pune. Okay, so in this way the put method used to insert data in the map object. Okay, and how we can access from this map1 instance, which is the name of this map. So again, this is the most important thing you need to learn, that is map consists of key and value pairs, means key and value. Okay, so anything I just want to add is in the form of key and value. So the key data type is integer, so I have to write integer here, and the data type of value is the string, so I have to put string here. Okay, so this is the first thing we can define our map. Now the second one is, this is the blank one, the constructor is blank. Now the second one is, let me copy this one and paste it, map2. And what I do here is I just write here map1. So what happened, this is the map1 which already been initialized by these values. Okay, so this map1 consists of these two values. Okay, so if I want to debug this map2, because I have just passed this one inside map2, so what will be the result? Let's copy this one and paste it. Okay, 2 result 1 and result 2, that will be great. Okay, let's see. Okay, the same result we got. Okay, so what it means, that the second type of constructor constructor we have in map is map1. Okay, so first is the blank, second is the any map already initialized we can pass into the second map. So in this way we can have the values of the second map. Now the third way to initialize map is I have to copy this one again and paste it, and now name it 3, Now what I do here is, let me take it ID and account. So this is the key and this is the value. Now same here, ID and account. Okay, so before that or after that also doesn't matter. Yeah, after that I have to write no, I have to go on the above of that. And now list to copy, the third constructor is the list to copy. So I just write a list and L1 will be the name equal to, I just query here, select ID name from account. Okay, so we can also write here like account. Okay, so what I do here is I can make it a string. Okay, so I'm changing frequently here, so what it means, you can change frequently. Okay, so that whatever the requirement, you can make your map as it is, as like that. Okay, so I'm just getting ID, sorry, ID and name from account into the list 1. So if I pass this list 1 here, okay, then it will automatically have the ID in the key and name in the second one. Let's see if there is any error, but before that I can make it like this, result 3, map 3. Let's execute. Whoa, there is a error. Let's see what is it is. Okay, map 3 L1. Oh, what? So list, for list you have to do this. I forgot to write here. So what type of list will be? It is account type of list, because I am searching from, querying from the account object, so it will be like account. Okay, let's execute. There are a lot more. So what is saying that list account mark on expected a map with the same key and value valid object list. Okay, so these are the few challenges you come across if you write map. So first thing, if you notice, I am searching, querying for the ID and name from the account, and the list is of type account. It is good, no mistakes. But if you see here is its ID and string, and if I pass this list of account, then how this map will get the required data. Okay, so what I do here is I just make it account and account, and now execute. Yeah, that's fine. Oh god. So if I debug, now first second will be the same, and now third having ID name. Okay, then ID name. So if you see, it's a pair of ID name of each and every record. Okay, like this query will get, like if there is hundreds of account present in our database in Salesforce, so this query does 100 records. Okay, it gets the 100 records, and for each record there is an ID and name of all the records of account. So in this way there are three types of, or the three constructs we can say. So first is blank, where we need to put these values as per this data type. This is the key, this is the value. Second is the just copy this map. Okay, so we just pass the first map which is already initialized into the second map, and it get also the same results. Okay, third is the pass the list. So we just query from the database account, and we just put into a list and pass this list to that map which is of type ID and account. Okay, so these are the results. If you see, if you want to see again, let's execute. Here we go. Click on this debug log, and now you can see. Okay, so you can do this, and this is the first part of this map, and this is a very basic, and you can just practice this one or two times, and then the second thing, in the second part I will let you know about the map again but the methods of map. There are many methods of map, that if you want, like if you want to get this key, then what are the methods, and if you want this value part, then what are the methods. So there are many things in map. So this is the first basic thing, like this is about the constructor and how map store the values like this. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you.